stablecoins, like right now, this year has grown a lot. I don't have exact data, but it's trillions.
There are multiple other new banks as well, but what exactly sets KEA? There is one more concept that is very much in talks right now, that's CBDCs. What's your vision for the next few quarters? Well, hello and welcome everyone. This is Future Blockchain Summit podcast live from the Future Blockchain Summit. I'm your host Lakshay from Zex Media, and today we're going to dive deep into how the blockchain ecospace is getting into our real lives and expanding its territories to getting to be used to the people more in terms of neobanks, right? So I have Mr. Berkovich over here, who is the founder of KEA, right?
Correct.
So first
Thanks,
of all, hi, how are you?
Amazing. Glad to be here. Thanks a lot for inviting, Laksha. Very energetic, very powerful event, as always in Dubai. People coming from all over the world.
I mean, it's a huge marketplace uh, for like anyone from blockchain or partially related to fintech, right? Just fintech search, blockchain, future blockchain summit. It's like a fabulous place to be.
I think if you combine these three things, blockchain, fintech, AI, it's a
Absolutely,
perfect
absolutely.
mix. So that's what's happening here also. So they do a very good job in bringing in one place different innovators. So yeah, great energy.
Great. And you being the founder of KEA, right? So KEA is a new bank, right? What exactly is? I mean, there are multiple other new banks as well, but what exactly sets KEA apart from all of this?
So I'm CEO of KEA. We position ourselves as a flexi neobank on in between fiat and crypto worlds. Frankly, when we talk about crypto, we're mostly focusing on stablecoin infrastructure, which is a huge narrative right now and something that is growing. It's such a huge place. So we're trying to combine both fiat worlds and crypto stablecoin worlds in one place. With the main mission, with the original mission that we had to bank the underbanked clients globally.
And there are multiple segments then in a new bank are considered. Like if you're a bank, you have to be regulated and compliant to a lot of regions, right? And for a crypto user, there are no boundaries. So I'm gonna
Yeah.
be sending money to any country. So how do you tackle like the regulatory part of cryptos in multiple countries?
Great question. In fintech these days, regulatory slash licensing strategy is the most important part, 100%. The barriers of entry has increased, and I would say fintech startups don't have many attempts. So if they go for a certain jurisdiction, certain license, they need to do their research to be sure that the one that works for them well. And our, as we call, licensing strategy, we've spent so much time to explore markets, explore licensing capabilities to develop our own.
Yes.
We went the route of being licensed as a crypto provider in Europe, in EU. There's a lot of things happening with Mika now, which makes things more complicated. We went in North America. We're now authorized in Canada to operate as money service provider. We went in EU as well for electronic money status. Same in the UK, which we're in the process with. And the next step, what we're looking for, also since we're based in Dubai, in the UAE, everything's happening here now. And the next stage for our development is also licensing here. So you need to be very diverse. You cannot these days rely on just one license. It needs to be very diversified. You need to be able to serve as many segments as needed, to offer as many services as needed. And in our payments business, if we talk about payments, the main thing, what it used to be called correspondent banking relationships for banks back in the days, now it's rails. So clients appreciate powerful payment rails. So the more licensing you have, the stronger your licenses are, the better access your financial institution gets to solid rails, and the better services it provide. Like in this way, you can provide a better services to your clients through these powerful rails, I would say.
Got it. And how do you? I mean, what are your thoughts on the the link of stable coins and crypto banks like neobanks?
Yeah. Um, Look, it's not something completely new, right? Stablecoins have been around for ages. Yeah, initially used for liquidity bridge between primarily like big exchanges by like whale traders to move liquidity between exchanges, right? Then everyone's waiting and expecting the use of stablecoins for less institutional crypto whale type of thing, more to normal transactions that are taking place between some, I don't know, online merchants, even offline merchants these days, to use stable coins as a mean of payments. And that's actually gaining a huge traction now. There are like so many use cases to implement stable coins in your business, target more geographies, more countries, to expand your list of payment methods that you support to get access to more clients as a merchant doing something online. So stablecoins, like right now, this year has grown a lot. I don't have
Yes.
exact data, but it's trillions. And if you count the whole amounts, it's surpassing, Visas and Mastercards acquiring volumes. Most of it still comes from institutional players, but the real like normal individuals or businesses using stablecoins is growing so much, and things like on and off ramping and things like, I don't know, crypto cards are
Yes.
absolutely empowering this growth, and of course support from um, narrative for stablecoins this year is very strong. So at least this term of U.S. Mr. President, I think we will see a lot of projects grow a lot in stablecoin business.
And definitely, because uh, the emerge of crypto cards. I mean, they have been here for a very long time, but now they are like very used to. People are very used to use the crypto cards. So the basic core for handling the crypto card payments is like the stable coins that is managed by those banks, right? Apart from banking systems and the stable coins, there is one more concept that is very much in talks right now. That's CBDCs,
Hmm.
right? So, what are your thoughts on CBDCs? Are they here to stay? I mean, for a long run, or just softer
Yeah, yeah.
close?
First point, yeah, that you touched about things like crypto cards. So it has amazing value to promote crypto use cases, like something like really tangible, like the classic example. Oh, I paid with my crypto card for coffee. It's happening. It's a real world application of the crypto. In reality, it's a lot just marketing play, I would say, right? On
Yes,
the back of it, primarily it's off ramping of crypto. There's a
absolutely.
debit card issued or maybe credit card, which is simply topped up by fiat on the back of it. Now we see emergence of more for crypto OGs, what they would prefer, maybe non-custodial crypto cards. That's
Yes,
also something interesting to see. Um, but it's been around for a while now. It's the regulatory framework allows you to identify, do KYC of crypto holders better. So it's nothing new, but it's great to see that it's becoming much more popular, and use cases of crypto are like much clearer to end users, which is a great thing. For these CBDCs, originally we actually were building our platform and product to combine fiat worlds and to be a sort of powerhouse for CBDCs and
yes,
stablecoins as well. Um, Now we see, of course, bigger shift to stablecoins in terms of normal use cases. If we're not talking about I don't know, central banks sending payments to each other, if we're talking about normal merchants, businesses, individuals, of course, stablecoins are already used very widely.
yes,
And in fact, we see strong competition from stablecoin issuers, and that will only increase. The most successful IPO of this year is stablecoin issuer in the US, Circle, and it's just the start of it. So it's interesting to see, yeah, that the issuing part is going more private, whereas, yeah, still the holding assets are governmental. So in an essence, yeah, it's holding the function, the original function, I think, that we were expecting from CBDCs. Right now, today, yes, CBDCs hold more like you know, like a president in the country. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, it's very nice to represent, but it's just like one. There was some transaction I remember
Yes.
last year between UAE central bank and Chinese central bank, which was one of the first transactions of this kind. But it was like just to have it, right?
Yes.
But real use is going from stable coins, and we see governments are kicking in with governmental stable coins like digital dirham, for instance.
Yes.
So I think the real future is more centric around stablecoin things, and we try to empower our clients with a bigger range of access to different stablecoins from different issuers, from maybe additional benefits like yield, something which no one expected from stablecoins before, and something which is now becoming a norm for the new stablecoins being issued. So yeah, we definitely see that the at least the nearest future is with the stable coins, and unless CBDCs will be very active to win this. Wouldn't say competition, yeah, but real use cases, division.
Wonderful. I mean, you have so much of thoughts and knowledge about these segments specifically. Uh, what's your vision for the next few quarters?
Few quarters.
Yes.
Wow, that's long time for crypto. Well, definitely the big thing around today's trend and big narrative of AI and AI agents
Yes.
will be, well, we'll need to see what will become the mean of payment between different AI agents, how they would, as separate economic actors, they would interact with each other. Uh, it's not obvious, but it seems that stablecoins would become the mean of payments between different AI agents. And our goal is to provide infrastructure in the future, to be infrastructure provider for different AI agents to pay to each other, to collect payments from each other, to do settlements. Right now, this already not at the background, it's actually public. Google released some payment protocol for AI agents. Coinbase is doing something. Stripe are doing something. Um, so yeah, the real big innovation I think in tech, in fintech, that we will observe will be the automated payments between
Yes.
without human
Yes.
touch, right? It
That could
just
be fascinating.
exactly, and it will be like I think the amounts will be skyrocketing because if it will be happening automatically, right? So one AI agent in one country that is distributor of some, I don't know, goods will
Mhm.
interact with the agents in another country. They will make payment to each other, so there will be more transactions, more volumes. So it will be definitely interesting to see how it will unfold.
Definitely, it's going to be very interesting to see how the future holds. So that's all for now, and thank you so much for giving us the time and so much knowledge at this session.
My pleasure.
This is us from Future Blockchain Summit podcast, live from Dubai Harbor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.